everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So these are some like tug ropes for your dogs. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So it comes with some poop bags, you can see right there. It comes with this rope. My dogs are absolutely going to love this, and they fight, so it's really nice that it came with more than just a one. Comes with this one right here, another poop bag, which those always come in handy. And then this one right here, this is great where you can actually hold it and then they can actually tug with you. But let me go ahead and show you what these look like with my dogs actually playing with them.
Come on, come on. Good girl.
There you go. He happy. Atara.
She took it away from him.
Here you go, bud. You got that way.
There. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Ah.
Boy. Atara's dangerous. She's taking all of them away. Snorter.
Him's your old man. Him's your old man. Let me see. Let me see.
Too much.
Let me see. Ah.
Yeah, he will not let go.
I think she's actually right.
Yeah, he's not letting go.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.